In this Jogg AI tutorial, I want to show you how you can create AI avatar videos using Jogg AI. Now, I have to admit, this is one of the most exciting AI avatar platforms I've seen because they're integrating it with things like UGC as well as e-commerce. So this is really cool, and I'm really excited to be sharing with you this platform today. Now, just before we get started, if you want to help support my work, make sure you get Jogg AI using the link in the description. It's also going to give you the best price. Plus, I've also got some bonus freebies down in the description too. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is Jogg AI. They currently have a 50% off annual subscription deal. Pretty insane. But what this platform is basically going to be an AI generator. So you type in some text, upload some videos, or even upload a photo, and you can create your own cool avatars. Now, what I like about this is if you come to use cases, they actually have specific industries they talk about in here, and even by roles. But one thing I haven't actually seen that much is the e-commerce part of it, where you can actually upload your own products and it's going to actually add in images and videos from that particular product. So this could be if you own an e-commerce store or if you're an affiliate for particular products. You then go and choose an avatar and it creates a video actually talking about that particular product. So this to me is a bit of a game changer, as you can imagine how many different types of UGC videos you could have, promo videos you could have, and bits and pieces like that too. So let's go ahead and actually log in. Just before I do, let me just show you the different pricing options. If you're thinking about getting it, you can actually start for free and have up to 3 videos using one particular type of avatar. So I'll show you how to do that as well. But $29 a month for 16 videos, 1 minute long on the starter plan. Creator plan is videos up to 15 minutes long and unlimited video generation. So this is probably where most people will sit, because you can create unlimited videos. Why wouldn't you, right? More videos means more exposure. So I'm just going to log into my account and show you how to use this platform. Okay, so here is the back office. As you can see up the top here, we've got lots of options to get started with. Now this looks like a lot of the other platforms out there, really nice and clean options for getting around. So we've got here avatar videos. If you want to create your own personal avatar, you can upload photos if you want to create photos that turn into basically AI avatars and you can make photos talk. We've got AI video ads. You can also translate videos. And then we've got a few other options as well. So let's go straight into avatars on the left and let's choose one of the avatars and actually create a video. It's really, really simple to do. So inside here, you can see these are all the user generated type of content videos. This is perfect for long or short form content like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. And this is where everything's kind of selling at the moment. So this is the perfect type of format for it. So let's just go and create a video right now, right off the bat. I'm just going to use this lady here, Stella. Let's just say you wanted to create a video from Stella. Let's just write in here, hey, my name is Stella, and I love learning from the Future Systems YouTube channel. Come and subscribe with me. Okay, super easy. You can also use an AI writer. And you can also choose different types of voiceovers if you want. I'm just going to leave the default for this, as it's usually paired pretty well. You can also upload scripts and also upload audios to sync it. But for this example and the sake of your time, let's go ahead and check it out. And I'm going to tell you how long it takes to actually generate this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and render it now. So here it is here. It took 1:19 to generate this 5-second video. I should probably mention too, this is on the free plan, so it is going to be slightly slower, leaving more power for the paid users. And also on the free plan, you get 3 credits. You can see I've got 2 left. So let's check out and see what it looks like.
Hey, my name is Stella, and I love learning from the Future Systems YouTube channel. Come and subscribe with me.
I love that. That's probably one of my favorite AI avatar generators. So I'll go and download that so you can see a better quality one when you watch it. Now let's go and check out voices. Now this is where you can actually upload and create your own voice. You need to be on a premium plan. Basically, all you need to do is upload 2 minutes of audio and then it's going to go ahead and create your own. Now it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be pretty good. So it's more than enough to get started with. If you come into the products tab on the left, this is where you can actually add in your own products to create videos for. You can also add in different types of media to add that inside it. And if you just want to add like an Amazon link, you can also do that here and it'll take all of the information from the page and fill this out. Then you can use it inside of your videos. So that's very cool to have that. You've also got your media where you upload all your stuff and your brand kit if you want it. But honestly, that is basically Jogg AI. It's extremely easy to use. So if you're someone that's in an industry where you need to create short form content, especially like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, digital marketing in general, even local business, if you've got services, then Jogg AI is probably going to be one of the better types of platforms to get. With the $69 plan, you're going to get unlimited videos, which are up to 15 minutes long. So this is a bit of a steal considering you can make unlimited videos. So hopefully you understand how to use Jogg AI now. That's my Jogg AI tutorial. If you want to get it, once again, make sure you join using that link in the description. I've got a bunch of freebies down there too, so go and check it out. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.